welcome to my video. Thank you for checking me out, Today we're going to be unboxing a beauty kit from, it's not really a kit, but it's a beauty package called Pretty and Polished from Ulta. It came in a small box like this, and it was wrapped in this thing, so this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna take it out of here. The first thing that's on top, oh, that's attached to it. No. Okay. Okay. Wow, this is pretty. Okay, so it is a velvety, like, you feel that? It's velvety. I don't know if that's a word. It's velvety all around it, except for the top. The top is like pleather. It's really nice, actually. Yeah, so it's an Ultra Beauty Pretty and Polished 62 piece. I don't know if you can see that. 62 piece collection. I got it on sale for $14.99. At first it was on sale for $18.99. This was on Black Friday, y'all. Black Friday it was on sale for $18.99. On Cyber Monday it was on sale for $14.99. The day before Black Friday, this was not on sale, and it was selling, well, actually it was on sale for $30 for $29.99, and apparently it is a $200 value. The things that are inside of it contains 28 eyeshadows, 4 glitter top coats, 3 highlighters, 2 lip liner pencils, 2 matte liquid lipsticks, 1 tinted eye primer, 1 brow wax, 1 blush brush, really? 1 blush brush, 1 crease brush, 6 blushes, 3 brow powders, 3 eyeliner pencils, 2 bronzers, 2 creamy lip glosses, 1 setting powder, 1 brow tint, 1 eyeshadow brush. So yes, I really don't think the setting powder is going to match my skin tone though, but we'll see. So, let's see, how do I open this thing? I'm pretty sure it's like this. Wait, okay. 1, 2. How do I open it? Lord, have mercy. Okay, y'all, we got a problem. It's not opening. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I'm not taking that out. Okay, so it first comes with a $5 off of any beauty brand cosmetic or brush purchase of $15 or more. So they're right. The packaging is a little dirty for some reason, but it's okay, I guess. So that's what it looks like up here. I'm guessing all these little big colors you see right here. I'm trying to do this with one hand, low key, it's hard. Okay, so this is a bronzer, this is a bronzer, this is a setting powder. This is not gonna match my skin tone. This is a matte nude pink blush, matte peach blush, matte pink blush, summer berry blush, summer pink blush, summer coral pink blush, rose gold highlighter. I love rose gold highlighter. Pearl highlighter and gold highlighter. This is tinted eye primer right here. Then over here, I'm guessing is all the eyeshadows. I am not going to the names of those. And of course, there's a big old mirror right here. Oh, can't see my bedroom because it's so messy. Yeah. I'm guessing. Okay, that's how you open it. Okay. And then I forgot I have to open these, don't I? Oh no, I don't. Okay. So then you got your side pockets. If I can open it with one. Ow. Okay. So in the side pocket, these are the lip liners and eyeliners, I believe. Yes, lip liners and eyeliners. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I'm so sorry. There's like a... You gonna have to see that through my phone? I'm sorry. But that's what it looks like. And then I'm gonna put this back in there. slide that back on in. And it has a little matte lipstick and creamy lip glosses in there too. So, can't see the pointer. And then on the other side, it has another side to it. I'm gonna open it, sit down like this. These are the, ooh, and it has my color eyebrow. Okay, so this is, I guess these are the brushes. And then this is the brow tint right here. And then the brow wax is right there. And then the dark brown powder. Then they have medium brow powder. Then they have Tarpey brow powder. Then they have rose gold glitter top coat. Then they have bronze glitter top coat. And then gold glitter top coat. I'm not exactly what these top coats mean, but you know what it means. Let it go now. I am not going to, it's backwards. I am not going to put this on my skin right now because it's 10 o'clock at night probably, and I don't really feel like doing this. I thought there was a bottom thing, but I think that's on the other box. So, okay. You can open the top half, but I would advise not to because it's flimsy as hell. So, yes. I would cut this off if I was you. That's what the inside say. The rest of this is not important at all, but I do like how you can do your makeup on it and then look at yourself in the mirror. It's been nice, you know? So, yeah. Yeah, that's about it. And then I did order something to take this makeup off with. So I got 2 of these. I don't know what they are. This is what they are. These are really good. I have very sensitive skin, and these don't irritate it. I've been using baby wipes to take out my makeup for the past 3 weeks. So, yeah. But I'm going to let you guys go and go watch some more interesting people because, however, I am not very interesting. But I'm so glad you watched my video. And at the end of this, there will be bloopers because I don't mess up a whole shit ton today. So, thank you for watching, guys. Bye. So, I'm sorry about my Vlogmas 6 and 7 videos. The iMovie will not let me take it out of iMovie. It keeps on saying that iCloud is trying to download the videos, which makes no sense because they weren't having any problems until I tried to upload it. So, I apologize, but I will be uploading my Vlogmas actual 7-day. So, you'll have 2 Vlogmas 7 videos, but one of them will be with the Vlogmas 6 video because it wasn't long. So, you'll have 3 videos today. I just don't know when the other 2 little Vlogmas vlogs will be put up tonight. It may be really late and it might be late, so I'm so sorry. Hello, you guys. This is, I don't know how many tries this is now. I'm gonna be unboxing, what is it called? Okay, guys, welcome again back to my blah blah. Hello, you guys. I don't know if I'll use this damn motherfucking. Sometimes I swear these bloopers that y'all be getting are just like meant to happen or something. I don't know. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to a new video. So today, you can barely see me because if I stand up here, you can't see anything. Oh, sucks.